In 3 days, I was able to make 100,000 naira. Yes, guys, in just 3 days, I was able to make my first 100,000 naira. On this video, I'll be sharing with you what I actually did, right, and how I did it. In fact, I'll be sharing with you 3 apps that you need to download right now on your phone that will make you this amount of money. Like, it will make you money on a daily basis if you begin to use the 3 apps that I will be sharing with you, right? This period are periods where you need money. Like, if you are depending on just one income, then definitely you will not live the kind of life that you want to live. And that is why you need to have plans for an extra income. And that's why I am doing this video, to actually help you, begin to earn something by the side that you can make money, so that you can make money passively. So if this is the first time that you are coming on my video, I want to say welcome. My name is Grace, and on this channel I share everything about how to make money, how to grow your business, and how to get customers into your business, right? If that is of interest to you, then you want to make sure you subscribe by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video, right? Because these 3 apps I'll be sharing with you, if you go now to download any of them, right, and begin to use them, you will begin to make money for yourself. Without any further ado, let's get started. The first app I will recommend, right, that has made me tons of money, right, since I started using it, is Canva. Yes, guys, whatever it is that you do, whether you're a business owner, you are a professional at anything, you have a 9 to 5, you are a teacher. In fact, as a teacher, you should be using Canva for your educational, for your educational activities, right? So Canva is a graphic design application that you can download, and you should download on your phone right now. Okay, you can design videos, you can make websites, you can help people do social media graphics, you can do templates. There are a lot of things that you can begin to use Canva for, and you will begin to make money for yourself. I remember the time that I've always heard about Canva, right? And sometimes I needed to do a flyer for a particular training that I was doing, and I reached out to somebody asking the person to help me with the flyer, and the person charged me about 5,000 or 10,000 naira. I can't really remember, right? And the next thing I said to myself, Grace, you know about Canva, right? And you've heard that Canva is a graphic design, so go, of course, and use it. And that is how I went on to Canva, and I made a flyer for my training. Guys, people saw the flyer and they paid for my training. All right. So with Canva, you can begin to make amazing and ton of money. I have a class where I thought about how you can actually use Canva and make money. It's called Design to Earn from Canva. If you're interested, I'm going to leave the link to that training in the description of this video, so that you can go take the class, learn all you have to about Canva, and begin to implement. Remember, you will not get results if you don't implement on what I have talked about, right? So Design with Canva is your go-to if you want to learn how to actually begin to use Canva to make money for yourself on a daily basis. The second app that I want to talk about, now this app I want to talk about is something that you already have, but the truth is a lot of people don't really know the power of the app, and that is your WhatsApp. Yes, guys, your WhatsApp is an app that can make you money like immediately. If you check on this channel, I have a video where I talked about how I made, I think, 500,000 naira from WhatsApp alone, right? You too can begin to do same. WhatsApp, in fact, is the first thing that I actually started using to make money for myself. And what did I do? I gathered people on a WhatsApp group, and I began to teach them what I know, teaching them the skills that I actually have. Now, this is something you too can begin to do for yourself. In fact, WhatsApp have a lot of amazing features, from your broadcast list, your WhatsApp status, your catalog, your WhatsApp groups, You can use any of these features and begin to make tons of money for yourself. You'll be amazed of how much you can make just by listing a product on your WhatsApp status and people seeing that product and buying from you at the end of the day. That is how powerful WhatsApp is. If you want to learn more about how you can use WhatsApp to make money for yourself, then you want to get my book called The WhatsApp Money. All right, for you to learn how to actually use all of the WhatsApp features to make money for yourself. That is another app that you can use to make money for yourself. Download it right now if you don't have it, right? Whether you're in Nigeria, outside Nigeria, any African countries, anywhere in the world, you can have access to WhatsApp and begin to make use of it. So that's my second app. The third app I want to recommend, all right, is this app you're using right now. This app you are watching me from right now. If you don't have your own account, I want to ask that you go right now and create an account with YouTube. Yes, now the beautiful thing about YouTubing is that when you have a Google account, you automatically have a YouTube account, right? So if you don't have, maybe you're just watching this randomly, okay, on YouTube, you don't have, your own YouTube account, I want you to go and register on Google, right? Get a Gmail account, and with that, you have access to the YouTube. Now, what you want to begin to do is begin to teach people just the way I am doing, right? Whatever skill you have, whatever knowledge you have, whatever idea you have, whatever thing you know, all right, you can begin to teach people all of that and they will pay you money. Yes, guys. Now, the beautiful thing about this is that apart from you making money of your product and all of that, YouTube can also begin to pay you money, right? When you join the YouTube partnership program. So when you join the YouTube partnership program, you have access to earning in dollars. And what do you need to join? You just need the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So if you get any of that, right, if you get all of this rather, you will definitely join the partnership program, and you begin to earn from YouTube. With these three apps, guys, you can begin to make money for yourself every month on the side. Yes, guys. Now, the beautiful thing about this is that you don't need to start another business. You don't need to start a business if you don't have one already. There are a lot of people, right, that are business owners looking for people that will sell their product for them. All right, you can come in as an affiliate, you can come in as a drop shipper and begin to sell those products for them. List it on your WhatsApp status, list it on your broadcast list on WhatsApp, come on YouTube, talk about those products and get people to buy those products, right? Once you get people to buy those products, of course, the business person that has the product will give you money in exchange for that, right? So that is another way you can begin to make money for yourself. Content creation is another way you can begin to make money for yourself right now, right? Everybody is consuming. Let your own be something that people will consume too. Just like you're consuming my knowledge right now, also people would want to consume whatever it is that you know. They want to know it also, right? To begin to create content on YouTube, on any of the social media platforms, and you also can begin to make money for yourself. All right, guys, I want to believe that you have gotten value from this video. Let me know in the comments which of these apps you will begin to use right now, which of them you have and which of them you are using. And if you're not using any, let me know which of them you will begin to use. And if you want more info on how to use any of this, let me know in the comments and I might do a video to cover all of that, right? So I want to believe that you have gotten value. Don't forget to subscribe, right? Don't forget to like this video also, and do well to share this video. There are a lot of people that would need the information that you just got from this video, so share with them. All right, and I will see you again on another video. Until then, ciao ciao. Don't forget to watch this video before you go. All right, so go now and watch this video. You'll get ton of knowledge from it.